Hi. Okay, so in a moment, I'm going to take you into my humble kitchen where I'm cooking humble rice in the microwave. Okay, so I followed all the ingredients from this YouTube channel because I was looking for an easy way to cook rice because I feel a bit lazy. And I found it. I mean, basically, it's in the microwave at the moment. And I'm going to take you into my kitchen to see the results. Talking about humble, actually. Arsenal against Man City. Oh, dear, I love football. Right, anyway, I'll take you into the kitchen. Okay, right, this is fantastic. In the background, you can see the rice. There you go. And let's have a look to see how it's come out. Ha! Hot. Ouch. Microwave. It's the first time I'm cooking rice in the microwave. Let's check it out. Okay. Can you see it? It's not too bad. Could do with a couple more minutes, I think. I don't know if you can see this, how well you can see this. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes actually. But I can do that, I can do anything because I'm so happy. Because Arsenal's made me so happy today. Well done. So I'll show you the end result in about 5 minutes. Okay, I hope this light isn't too bright for you guys. But anyway, you should be looking down here anyway. So listen, I put it in for 19 minutes. No, about 20 minutes altogether. And I'm going to take that off. And it looks like the rice is done. Done. So, what I'm doing now is put it on a plate with some food. And tell me what you think. Well done. Okay, it's done, it's finished. I'm happy, I'm hungry, and that's the end result. Can you see it? Doesn't look too bad. It's chicken. Anybody would think I like chicken. It's really weird. But anyway, so there you go. Don't know, I'm not a very good cameraman, but there you go, that's the food. That's the remainder of the rice that's in there. I don't know if you can see that. Don't use up too much. And bon appetit, as they say in Italy. And for the Arsenal fans, don't worry about it.